Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this special program. No, AMA is celebrating Women's Month. Normally, we celebrate Women's Day, that is in the March 8th. But AMA is celebrating Women's Month, and practically every week in the month of March, one program, at least one program, was held with a focus on women empowerment, and all of the speakers were women. There was a panel discussion also. As a culminating program of this month of March, Women's Month, we have Dr. Kavita Saxena to talk about women empowerment. Of course, I'm going to introduce formally Dr. Kavita ji. But we know each other well. Myself, Bipin Bhai, in EDI, we started knowing each other in EDI, and fortunately, our collaboration continues, so to say. She is also member of Extension Service Committee of Ahmedabad Men Medicine, as are some of the members. All the members of Extension Service Committee, I most welcome. I am chairman of that committee, but that's not important. Important is that these committees of AMA, they play a very vital role, and we decided that each committee, one member of each committee, one lady member of each committee will be a speaker in the month of March. So PR committee, there was a committee of program committee, and now Extension Service Committee. We all contributed in terms of contributing to the AMA's Women Month of the Month kind of thing. So welcome, Dr. Kavita ji. No, actually there are more people on the way. I know some of the phones are received, but at AMA, what we call AMA time, we cannot wait. We have to start on time, and we try to complete on time, and that's one of the hallmark of Ahmedabad Men Medicine Association. I have been part of the AMA in some way or other since almost 30 years. And that is in our blood. Wherever else also we go, we say, why we are waiting? We don't have to wait. People also should not make us wait. So that's how it is. So I will also not like to make Dr. Kavita ji wait. But before that, I will have to do some formal introduction for that. Dr. Kavita Saxena, actually she has been modest. She has given a very brief profile. This could have been 2 pages also. Is an accomplished educator, entrepreneurship expert, and startup mentor with over 20 years of experience in academia and industry. For how many years you are with EDI, by the way?
Almost 10 years.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. 20 years in academia. She holds a PhD in retail management and PGDM gold medal in marketing. Her areas of expertise include women entrepreneurship, creativity, and innovation, business model canvas, small business promotion, and consumer behavior. She has actively contributed to the academia and the industry, co-authoring a book and publishing numerous research papers. She also has led a DST-sponsored research study on women entrepreneurship in India. DST is, by the way, Department of Science and Technology. Passionate about mentoring aspiring and existing entrepreneurs, she works closely with startups, especially women entrepreneurs, providing hands-on guidance and support. She has completed several prestigious programs, including AICTE UK ERI Leadership Development Program and the Visiting Program on Digital Transformation in Germany. There are many more. You are also visiting faculty to Ahmedabad University, right? So that no mention. So I would like to add that. She is also visiting faculty to Ahmedabad University because I am also going there. That's why I said that. But I know that she is going there. So this is says that she is a very right person for today's program and today's talk on women empowerment, and we would like to welcome her in a symbolic manner also. This is on behalf of all of us, because you are all part of the AMA. We love people who come to, open forum program of AMA is a very distinct and a very different kind of program. Hardly, whoever comes to AMA, whether from India or outside India, they realize that open forum program is something so different. All celebrities, all known, unknown people come and they talk about the subject they are in, the domain they are in. Okay. And it's a free program. And we love people who come and participate in open forum program. because this is a unique program that way, and that is why we always urge people to come to AMA, take part in the such program, give your feedback, and make us better. AMA will always like to keep it better. I think that's good enough. Dr. Kavita ji, the stage is yours. As I told her, normally the open forum program as per the AMA timing is 6:30 to 7:45, and last 10 to 15 minutes if we can have for the question answer session also. So that is the overall time frame. We like to stick to that, right? 5 minutes here or there, that's all. Thank you. Thanks once again. Yeah, sure.
प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे यहीं से ऑपरेट करना है ना है थैंक यू सो मच हाँ हाँ ये राइट A very good evening, all of you. Thank you so much, Padmin sir, for having me for this, open talk session. And thank you so much for each one of you coming here and encouraging people like us to share whatever knowledge and experience we have with all of you. So yeah, today's topic is key challenges and success factors for women empowerment in India. So before I start about it, there is a disclaimer because we have men and women both in the house. And the disclaimer is, women empowerment is not about men versus women. Women empowerment is about people versus prejudice. So I hope all of you agree with me, and with this, I would like to take your permission to proceed further with our discussion on this very interesting and apt topic, especially when AMA is celebrating International Women's Month. So before we start, let me show you a picture and ask you a question that पहचान कौन? मुझे यहीं खड़े रहना पड़ेगा, right? Okay. So can you all look at the picture and tell me, who do you see in the picture? Anybody? She's a very famous, successful, powerful woman entrepreneur. कौन? Yes, Madhuri ji? Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, correct. And with her is her mother. So her mother is Yamini Majumdar-Shaw. She started her venture of laundry and dry cleaning business at the age of 68 after her husband's demise. So at that time and age, it was not a very popular choice that women would take up. So when she was asked that, why she took such a decision, so her iconic reply was, if Bajpayee ji, who was the then Prime Minister of India, could rule the country at the age of 75, I can surely work at the age of 68. So that is where inspiration for all women come from, right? So now, when I talk about the theme of International Women's Day, do you all know what was the theme of 2025? Anybody? Because every year International Women's Day is organized with a specific theme. Sorry? No. Anybody else? Because it has been in the news for quite some time and everybody is talking about that. So the theme of this year's International Women's Day is Accelerate Action. Right? So why are we saying accelerate action? Because the whispers of change are not enough. Now it is time for action. So people have been talking a lot about, policy recommendations, strategies, research work, that do we really need research to prove that there is inequality? We already know that, right? And in fact, every time we delay action, we pay a price. And a report by McKinsey Global Institute says that if we bring more women in the workforce, global economy contribution can increase between 12 trillion US dollar to 25 trillion US dollar. So that is huge. But unfortunately, the population of women is 50% as compared to men. But do you know what is their contribution to country's GDP? Any rough estimate anybody knows? Contribution क्या है महिलाओं का country के GDP में? हम 50% almost population है. But contribution पता है क्या है? सिर्फ 18%. सिर्फ 18%. और ये क्यों? Because most of the work that women do is unpaid work. Yes or no? We are not paid, we are not appreciated in general. Right? And that's a sad part of the story, isn't it? So, it is high time that we accelerate action, we take up concrete steps, and it will begin from us. Each family, each woman, each girl, each man sitting here around us in the society have to contribute, have to take an action. Right? So now, it is also said by World Economic Forum 2024 that the rate at which we are progressing about women empowerment and gender inclusion, it will take until 5 generations from now. We are into 2025, and I don't know, even by 2158 will we be able to create a gender neutral world or not. So these figures are not just shocking, but they are painful. Right, especially being a female who has been in the field, working for so many years, interacting with people across the section, it pains to see the status of young girls and women in our country. Right? So now the point is, Swami Vivekananda also once said that educate your women first and leave them to themselves. Let them decide what reforms they want. But unfortunately, policy making, decision making tables pe, there are more men than women. This is so sad. Even if you look at the Fortune 500 companies, only 10.4% of them have women leaders. So when there is no representation, how would you make reforms which are, for them, by them, and with them? Very difficult, right? So let me take an opportunity to ask all of you, those sitting in the house, what women want? What women want? Just open your heart and tell me what women want. Yes, please. Recognition, wonderful. Yes, anybody else? Young girl sitting at the back. What today's young woman wants? Freedom, correct. Appreciation, very true. What else? Proper guidance, because most of the time we don't even know, because we are not even allowed to step out and seek guidance. Yes, beta. Motivation and support. Very well said. Yes, madam. Sorry? Safety, correct. So, without safety, how would people allow their girls to go out, right? Very true. Yes, ma'am. फैमिली सपोर्ट सी आज की तारीख में भी फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं है राइट फैमिली सपोर्ट हर किसी को नहीं मिलता है स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर अ फीमेल यस मैम राइट टू एजुकेशन इज व्हाट वी वांट राइट और कुछ इवन मेन कैन अटेम्प्ट what women want you have sisters mothers wives colleagues at home in offices so yes sir equal rights right so yes sir
Respect, acknowledgement and dignity.
Dignity, respect, acknowledgement, right? So why are we even saying that she is a housewife, right? Do we ever ask such questions to men? Never, because the society. Sorry, ma'am.
Homemaker, housewife is no longer.
Exactly. So you need dignity even in that, right? So now educated people have understood that and they say I am a homemaker very proudly. And there is no harm in that because you should not live under a guilt of making choices as per your wish. Right? So when we know that, women want safety, appreciation, respect, freedom, education, promotion, equal opportunities like men, the problem is what is the dilemma of Indian women? Most of them are, brought up with a mental conditioning. What is this mental conditioning? Right from childhood, लड़कियों को बोला जाता है ए धीरे बात करो क्या जोर से हंस रही है अच्छा लगता है क्या तो ये सब यू आर सप्रेसिंग हर राइट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग सो व्हेन शी गोज आउट शी इज नेवर कॉन्फिडेंट राइट तो वो सेल्फ डाउट वहीं से आना शुरू हो जाता है इनफैक्ट वी लिव इन अ पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी वेयर मेन एपोलोजाइज फॉर देयर वीकनेस एंड विमेन एपोलोजाइज फॉर देयर स्ट्रेंथ्स इफ अ लेडी इज having leadership qualities, colleagues will always comment, she's very bossy. She has a lot of ego and attitude. Right? So, that is what I mean to say that, वो mental conditioning ऐसा हुआ है कि people cannot believe that a woman can be strong, powerful, she can have a voice. right? Lack of self-belief. बचपन से females are always appreciated for their appearance and unfortunately not for achievements. So when I say accelerate action, it is high time that we start considering women as people with intelligence and not as people with beauty. Right? So this self-belief, right? Even Fair and Lovely brand का आपने नाम सुना होगा. सालों तक हमारी दादी, मम्मी सबने Fair and Lovely brand यूज किया क्योंकि वही कहा जाता था, if a girl is not fair, she is not beautiful. But even brands are changing narratives now. They realized it and they changed the name to Glow and Lovely. Right? So let us stop judging women around us by their skin color, by their shape of the body, or any such type of stereotype, because that really affects her confidence badly. Work-life balance, oh my God. I can go on and on talking about work-life balance because work-life balance hota kya hai? Can anybody from the audience tell me, what is work-life balance? Yes, sir.
I think for the ladies, the work-life balance in simple terms is work at home totally, and then if you want, work at workplace as well. And do the balancing yourself, you don't care.
Right. So we need to change those narratives now. Right. In fact, Bipin sir, I have interacted with 10,000 women entrepreneurs when I was doing that DST study, Pan India, and most of them were from science and technology background. So they were all highly educated, right? So my question to all women is, if family comes first, does work come second? Does work, Madhuri ji? If family comes first, does work come second? No. So work-life balance itself is a myth because it is a juggling act. It is all about deciding your priorities. Many a times, you know, if it is an important meeting in an office, I have to leave work and go. If something urgent is required at home, I have to be at home. But unfortunately, women are conditioned to live in a guilt if they are not available to take care of household chores. Right? The moment a lady says that office mein meeting hai, Paytm mein papa jayenge, so no, everybody is furious at home. Right? But then somebody has to. So today's modern women are changing those narratives. Right? Thanks to movies like Ki and Ka, they have made us realize that even a man can have a choice of becoming a homemaker. Because homemaker is a gender neutral term, as madam pointed out. राइट सो जितना प्रेशर विमेन पे है, घर का ध्यान रखना है, 10 हाथ वाली नारी शक्ति जो सब कुछ कर लेगी, उतना ही प्रेशर आदमियों पे भी है. राइट? इफ अ मैन डिसाइड्स टू टेक अ setback in career, people will start questioning him. If he decides to take a leave to support a wife who has just delivered a child, people will start laughing at him. Isn't it? So when I say changing narratives, it is gendered narratives. So I'm not saying changing narratives for women or men. And that is why I said it is about people and prejudice, right? Wearing a superwoman crown is certainly a myth, and without any apology, I decide to not wear that crown. Why? See, every female, every woman is a normal human being, and why you want to tell her that be perfect in everything? हर किसी को यही चाहिए, perfect mother, perfect wife, perfect daughter-in-law, perfect colleague in an office. Why? Let us embrace our imperfections. Right? So unless and until you come forward and say that I want my me time. Who said? कहाँ पे लिखा है कि me time is all about riding through the guilt? No, right? So we have to take the first step as women. We have to decide what is important for my mental peace. इधर घर का काम भी कर रहे हैं, मदर इन लॉ के साथ शॉपिंग जा रहे हैं, बच्चों के साथ स्कूल जा रहे हैं, एंड ऑफ द डे मेरे मेंटल पीस की ऐसी की तैसी हो गई. सो देन व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अ हैप्पी वुमन कैन ओनली क्रिएट हैप्पी फैमिलीज. So it is important for all of us to understand that how do we ensure that women in our family, offices, and around us are confident to be happy in their own space. And to add to that, when young girls and women want freedom, education, equal opportunities at work, do you know what stops her from doing that? It is the society. And I'm sure all of you would raise your hands up because all of us have heard these statements at least multiple times in our life. You are so pretty. Why should we not get you a husband rather than sending you abroad for a career or higher education? Right? I love you, so I don't want you to get hurt anymore. आपको तुम्हें पता नहीं है, काम करने जब जाते हैं तो कैसे लोग मिलते हैं, रोना आ जाएगा तब तुम्हें, घर में बैठो. Right? Soon you will have babies, so quit it right away. Right? बाद में भी छोड़ना है, अभी छोड़ दो. How will you manage things? How will you travel alone? How will you deal with favors? Many a times, I will support you only when you provide me with special favor. So we have been witnessing it, whether we agree or not openly. Every woman has been subjected to all such type of statements in her life, irrespective of which background and society you come from. Isn't it? And if I talk about entrepreneurs, right? Because ये सारी चीजें तो हो गई आम महिलाओं के लिए. When you talk about women entrepreneurs, even when government has schemes like, Stand Up India and lot of other women empowerment schemes and training programs, BBC reported that only 18 to 34% of married women continue after having a child. So see, in fact, Harvard Business Review ने एक पेपर पब्लिश किया था कि जिन महिलाओं ने 1990s में IIT से पढ़ाई की थी, all those women should be at leadership positions right now. But unfortunately, only 2.5% of them are working, 97.5% have left the jobs. आप सोचो, such a loss of knowledge and intelligence. जब IIT की महिलाएं घर पे बैठी हुई हैं because our workplaces are not female conducive. Currently, only 24% of urban India's workforce is women. Even 20% of enterprises are owned by women entrepreneurs. और उसमें भी जिन महिलाओं को बिजनेस शुरू करना है, almost 79% are self-financed because bankers don't trust their credibility. How many of you know your CIBIL score and how many of you really know कि CIBIL score जैसा कुछ होता है? I have met, very good, right? I have met educated working women and they say, हाँ मेरी सैलरी अकाउंट में आ जाती है, फिर वो हस्बैंड मैनेज करते हैं. So when any mutual fund company would approach them, they will say, हाँ ये हस्बैंड का नंबर है, आप उनसे बात कर लो. Why are you earning and not showing interest in that? It is your money. I am not saying कि आप पति को मत दो, but पता तो होना चाहिए कि मेरा पैसा कहाँ यूज हो रहा है. And ignorance is not a bliss when it comes to finance. And women unfortunately are very, very poor in this. And आप देखो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम का जो ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप रिपोर्ट है, उसमें 146 कंट्री के रैंकिंग में इंडिया इज एट 129th. सो आप सोच लो, हम टॉप 10 या टॉप 15 में है इंडिया. तो इसीलिए बोला गया है कि 2158 में भी अगर जेंडर पैरिटी आ जाए तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. राइट? सो look at the ranking. Top worst countries for women entrepreneurs mein India is there. Can you see that rank? And these are not my numbers. These are all authenticate sources where data has been published. And when I did that study, I interacted with 10,000 women entrepreneurs. Unfortunately, majority of them have left jobs because of personal reasons like childcare, pregnancy, marriage, husband relocated, so on and so forth. But the beautiful side of the story was almost 75% said that for second innings, I would prefer to become an entrepreneur. Right? Because that gives you so much of freedom, and then maybe that work-life balance becomes a little easier because you are your own boss. Right? And 43% of women entrepreneurs cite issues in obtaining finance as a reason for business discontinuance as compared to 26% male entrepreneurs. See, the challenge of starting and running a business is same for men and women. But the intensity of those challenges is much, much higher for women entrepreneurs as compared to their male counterparts. The Global Entrepreneurs Leader Report also ranked India at 29th position out of 31 countries surveyed on ease of doing business for women. So there is an index which says how easy it is for women to do business. In India also we have for different states, and globally also we have for different countries. तो वो 31 countries के ranking में India कहाँ पे है? 29th position पे, मतलब हम लोग almost bottom 3 में हैं. तो आप सोचो कितना प्रोग्रेस, कितना एक्सेलरेट करना पड़ेगा अपने एक्शन को, सो दैट वी इंप्रूव दोज रैंकिंग्स फॉर अवर सेल्फ एंड फॉर द विमेन ऑफ अवर कंट्री. It was found that only 14% women are actually able to start a business on their own. Most of the time, even when they run a business, their name is just on a piece of paper. They don't know anything about it. Because men want to get some benefits from various schemes, they will ensure that the business is under the name of a woman, except a signatory. She doesn't know anything, neither she wants to know, nor has any knowledge to ask for it. So where is women empowerment heading towards? So that's a question that we all need to ask. And if you look at some of the personal challenges faced by women, right, all the women sitting in the house, can I know from all of you that, in your journey, what type of challenges you all have faced? Anybody? What type of challenges you have faced as a woman in your journey? Anybody? Yes, Madhuri ji. So you will not know anything because women are very poor in networking. You have to go and meet strangers, so people will not be confident in allowing you to go and meet strangers. So you are always dependent on, unfortunately, men for those information. Yes, Radsi?
When you actually go and meet strangers, people think you are a receptionist. There is a boss behind.
Oh, yes, correct.
They're just here to talk.
Yeah. So many a times, when they come to women, tell me, my women clients say कि जब वो मिलने आएंगे तो बोलेंगे नहीं मैम सर से मिलना है. अरे भाई, I am the boss, I am the sir, मुझसे बात करो आप, right? But then again a stereotype, right? कि मुझे मिलने जाना है, मीटिंग है, business related काम है, तो it is always sir and not madam. So that is where we need to change the narrative. Yes, young girls at the back, what challenges you have been facing in your journey? अभी तो आपकी शुरुआत हुई है. So you are not allowed? So your parents are afraid because the society is not safe, right? So ultimately, girls want wings to fly. But because of the type of environment in which we all work, parents do not allow them to go out. And see, especially when you are working, when you are into a business, many a times networking meetings will happen in the evening followed by dinner. So you cut off because you are not allowed. Many a times big exhibitions and conferences happen in other cities, other states, other countries. So will you get a permission to do that? You have to ask for permission. Many a times the husband would say, no, I will accompany you. तो मुझे छुट्टी मिलेगी तो जा सकते हैं, वरना नहीं जा सकते हैं. Right? So that is also a challenge. Continuously we are dependent on men to do anything and everything. Yes, some challenge from your side.
In my journey, I have faced that when I have given the interview for my work life, at that time, in front of me, 5 people are sitting in front of me. That's like they are the level of the UPSC officer.
Yeah.
I am sitting in front of them. That's why I am feeling like मैं इनके सामने कैसे फेस करूँ? वो 5 सर बैठे थे वहाँ पर, मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहा था वहाँ पर. 2 मिनट में मैं सोचती रही कि मैं कैसे इनको फेस करूँगी, क्योंकि वो एक लेवल पे है.
Right.
How to introduce myself in front of them.
Right.
मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था.
राइट, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर लड़कियों को स्ट्रेंजर्स के सामने जाने नहीं दिया जाता है, स्ट्रेंजर्स से मिलने नहीं दिया जाता है. तो फ्रॉम वेयर विल दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कम? फॉर्चुनेटली अर्बन सिटीज़ में, टियर 1 सिटीज़ में, मॉडर्न फैमिलीज़ में ये सारी चीज़ें अब नहीं रही हैं. बट स्टिल व्हेन यू गो टू टियर 2, टियर 3 सिटीज़, रूरल एरियाज, बिकॉज बहुत बार वहाँ के बच्चे हायर एजुकेशन के लिए बड़े शहरों में आते हैं. सो दोस गर्ल्स आर वेरी टिमिड, वेरी शाय, वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल, इवन व्हेन दे हैव टू सिट विद अ मेल कलीग और अ मेल स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास, राइट? तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस और सेल्फ बिलीफ ही नहीं है, बिकॉज आपको हमेशा बोला गया अकेले कहीं नहीं जाना है, भैया को लेके जाओ, पापा से परमिशन लो, राइट? तो वेरी ट्रू. सो दैट अफेक्ट्स योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, isn't it? So you start doubting your own self कि am I not capable, am I not worthy? And trust me, सर ने जो बोला आई बीन टीचिंग इन EDII, तो बहुत सारे मारवाड़ी फैमिलीज आर नोन फॉर बिजनेस फैमिलीज, राइट? दे आर, सो वहां से लड़कियां आती हैं EDII जैसे प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टीट्यूट में प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करने के लिए, बट आफ्टर एजुकेशन व्हेन दे वांट टू स्टार्ट दैट बिजनेस, उनके पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी शादी हो के ससुराल में चले जाना है, फिर वो जो करवाना चाहेंगे करवाएंगे, अभी यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं करना है, right? So a girl will always have identity crisis because abhi I am known by my father, after marriage I'll be known by my mother, husband, so I don't have my identity even when I have capabilities to do so. एक बार मुझे chance तो दो, एक बार मुझे मौका तो दो, but then most of the time, especially those Marwadi and Banya families में girls are not allowed to pursue such type of career aspiration, so she starts feeling के worthless हूँ मैं, मेरा क्या वर्थ है, अभी यहाँ पापा के घर में थी, कल को शादी होके वहां चली जाऊंगी. यस मैम. या
So when I went in for an interview, nobody wanted to, and I'm a reporter.
राइट.
Basically a reporter. If you're on the desk, there's no problem. And when you're a reporter, it's actually there is no time. There is nothing like at least for a desk people they have 8 hours. For us there is no timing at all.
करेक्ट.
So I was when I went for an interview, always they will say, "How will you do this?" I was asked by the editor, if you are asked to go and cover a riot at 8 o'clock at night, what will you do? I said, "Sir, I will go.
राइट. करेक्ट.
I will go because there will be other people. There are other people also. I'm not." And then in any case, I didn't get. Then I remember I was asked to, when we had to go and cover really bad, very awful news. There are these people, the men refuse to go.
राइट.
This fellow says, no, I won't go there. How will I go there? Why should I go there?
या.
And so the editor asked me to go and I went and covered the thing so well, there was no problem.
या.
It's a question. I don't agree with this that you cannot do anything.
करेक्ट. वेरी करेक्ट.
I have gone and done
Yeah.
everything.
Right, right, correct. Yeah. So, absolutely right. So, when you look at some personal challenges that women have been facing, so as some of you rightly pointed out, lack of family support has been a very big concern even today and even in modern families. Lack of education and skills, because कहीं ना कहीं education तो मिल जाता है, लेकिन स्किल अपग्रेडेशन की बात आती है, प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज की बात आती है, कई बार पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो फील के अरे क्या करेगी ये पढ़ के, क्या फायदा है इसका, कल को तो शादी करके चले. सो फॉर अ गर्ल एवरीथिंग एंड्स एट शादी करके, एंड देन वी ऑल नो व्हाट लाइफ इज आफ्टर शादी करके, राइट? सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट डिबेट विच आई डोंट इवन वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. एंड देन लैक ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. किसी ने बोला ट्रैवल करना, राइट? रात को जाने नहीं देते बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलवेज अ फियर ऑफ पर्सनल सेफ्टी and work-life balance. So women are always questioned, doubted, and she cannot have it all is something that she has to accept and agree upon. तभी ये superwoman crown and women can do everything, जो myth है वो women को ही break करना पड़ेगा, right? And similarly, when you talk about professional challenges, even at professional level, lack of support in the business, difficulty in arranging finance. See, कई बार तो क्या होता है, लोन लेने गए आप, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज हमारा जो सोशल नेटवर्क है वो इस तरह से वीव किया हुआ है कि एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टीज जनरली गो टू मेल हेयर्स. So women will not have properties in their name most of the time. So what do I give for mortgage? That's a question, right? So the bankers and financial institutions will not trust your ability to repay the loan unless and until you have your father or husband or a brother supporting you in the same. So again, an identity crisis, self-doubt, and a feeling of worthlessness. Lack of government support. Now see, lack of government support in a way that there are n number of schemes on paper supporting women. But how many of us really know about those schemes? In fact, ये study से मुझे, it was an eye-opening study for me when I found out that even in STEM, जो STEM in the field है, उसमें 98% women entrepreneurs were not aware of any scheme available specially for them by the government. मतलब scheme तो बन गई but awareness ही नहीं है. And nobody is there to provide a linkage between banks, financial institutions, and women entrepreneurs. Do we even have database of women entrepreneurs? No, unfortunately we do not have, right? So हर field में इतनी सारी activities करने की ज़रूरत है फटाफट, and that is why the theme is accelerate action. Lack of gender sensitivity. Now gender sensitivity is also a very crucial, now often corporates are talking about period leaves, so then people start questioning that. राइट कि पीरियड लीव्स क्या होता है, उसकी जरूरत क्यों होती है. सिमिलरली मैटरनिटी लीव है. आई हैव पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस दैट मैटरनिटी लीव brings your career back by 5 years. A woman in India is always penalized for going for maternity. बिकॉज दे विल से अरे 1 साल तो आप आए ही नहीं, अब आपका बच्चा छोटा है तो आप 2 साल क्या काम करने वाले हो, तो अभी कोई प्रमोशन नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Right, so it is a major setback in a female's career when she decides to go for a child, and unfortunately, what happens is your career clock and biological clock work simultaneously. Right? जैसे जैसे आप करियर में ग्रो करोगे वैसे वैसे आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी ग्रो करो. सो यू गेट मैरिड, यहाँ पे यू गेट प्रमोशन, यहाँ पे इट्स टाइम टू प्लान अ बेबी, यहाँ पे इट्स टाइम फॉर अ मिडिल मैनेजमेंट पोजिशन. सो हाउ व्हाट डू यू डिसाइड? इनफैक्ट आज ही सुबह मैंने एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा जिसमें बोला था कि 1000 में से ओनली 2% women choose career over family in such cases. Only 2%. मतलब 98% forego their career opportunities because they have to take care of a baby, because we don't have crutches in offices, we don't have proper support system for childcare in our country, and most importantly, we have families and societies which will always taunt a woman if she leaves a young baby at home and goes for work. कि इतनी क्या पड़ी है, बच्चे को छोड़ के कौन जाता है? So many of my friends, maybe sitting here and outside, have taken a career break because they did not want to hear those tanas of family members and society that she is preferring a child, a career over a child. Right? So it is so painful. Men cannot even imagine the type of questions that women are subjected to every day for the bold choices that she makes for herself and her career and her family. Similarly, when a woman grows in business, that is altogether a different story. शुरुआत में तो family will not trust. तो फीमेल्स फील दैट चलो जो भी जमा पूंजी है मेरे को करना है, मैं ट्राई करूंगी, मैं घर भी देख लूंगी. बट द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग, यू हैव कस्टोडियंस ऑफ बिजनेस स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. राइट? सो देयर आर मेन हु कम अप एंड दे से अरे अभी इतना सब तू नहीं संभाल पाएगी, बिकॉज नाउ दे हैव सीन कि शी हैज प्रूव्ड हरसेल्फ. तो अभी दे विल कम एंड स्टार्ट गिविंग अनसॉलिसिटेड एडवाइस एंड सपोर्ट. सो वो ग्रोथ फेज में नाउ इट इज मोर डिफिकल्ट कि मैं वो घर की पॉलिटिक्स संभालूं या मैं अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करने में अपनी एनर्जी इन्वेस्ट करूं. राइट? सो इवन many a times, when you grow, you need to enhance your knowledge and skills, but then you don't get enough opportunities to go and do that. So domain knowledge में कई बार एक setback आ जाता है कि beyond this I don't know things, right? Technically, financially, men would not like to team up with a strong, powerful women at so many places because they feel that their position is threatened, right? May not be applicable to everybody, but then people will not even reject the claim that I'm making right now, right? So decision making mein no support, participation mein no support. So I want to tell all the women that unless and until you take up a center stage on the table, how will you move in the hierarchy? Right? There have been instances where women say, अरे मैडम मैं वहाँ मीटिंग में गई थी, वहाँ तो 12 आदमी थे, I was the only female, तो मैं तो साइड में जाके फिर बैठ गई थी. आप अगर साइड में बैठोगे तो आपका वॉइस कैसे सुनाई देगा, कैसे आप सेंटर में आके अपनी पोजीशन ले पाओगे? यू हैव टू टेक courage, you have to take that first step to make yourself visible and to create your own identity. I know it's not easy because Indian society, stereotypes, patriarchy, and most importantly, difficult, insecure men around you will make things difficult. Right? But we have to work in solidarity to create our tribe where women support women. Right? Let us come out of that kitchen politics. कि देवरानी ने ऐसा बोला, सासू ने ऐसा बोला, ये हुआ वो हुआ. No. Because that will never give you mental peace. Trust me. And when you will work for yourself, immense amount of confidence will come up and you will see a different version of your own self. right? So it begins from us. Dealing with corruption is also something which women are not very comfortable. Moving forward, another reason why we don't see more women at the top, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला फॉर्चून 500 कंपनी में सिर्फ 10.4% विमेन है, आईआईटी 90s में पास आउट सब घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, तो फिर टॉप में विमेन होंगी कैसे? सो जेंडर बायस plays a very important role. Other than that, when women don't see women at leadership positions, they will not even be able to imagine कि women भी उस position पे हो सकती हैं. राइट अभी आप देखो एक नॉर्मल फैमिली में जो सीन होता है वो क्या होता है, जब बच्चा स्कूल से आके बोलता है मम्मा पिकनिक जाना है, 2,000 रुपए देने हैं, शाम को पापा आएंगे तो पूछ के बताऊंगी. सो यू आर टेलिंग योर चाइल्ड दैट आई एम नॉट अ डिसीजन मेकर, आई डोंट इवन हैव एनी से इन दैट. So when young children and girls grow without seeing women at leadership and decision making positions, they don't even aspire for that. Right? So सबसे important क्या है, we have to create role models for them so that they can see कि okay, अभी I saw a movie, I forgot the name, जिसमें there was an art class and children were asked to draw cartoons of what they want to become. So those who wanted to become pilots, draw men pilots. Those who wanted to become conductors, they draw men conductors. And then the teacher comes back and shows them the formula F1 कि रेस में नंबर 1 एक लड़की आई थी. And then the child realizes that, oh, so a girl can also drive a F1 car. I never knew that. A girl can also be a pilot. मुझे लगा कि it is only for men. So right from childhood, we have to take an initiative to challenge and change those narratives. So I'm not saying कि सबसे झगड़ा करना है, but try to explain people, try to make them realize that things are changing now. Right? Stereotypes and expectations will always be there, but we have to challenge them one tiny step at a time. Right? One tiny step at a time is needed. Limited access to networks and opportunities. Again, it's a problem. As I said, opportunities वैसे ही कम है, women के लिए वैसे ही कम है, जो हैं उसमें इतने सारे road blocks हैं, self doubt है, society questioning you again and again. So you prefer that इससे अच्छा है मैं घर पे ही रहूँ. So many women face mid-career crisis and then they decide to leave everything and be at home. Your children come in class 10 and 12. So you feel के अगर इनको नहीं देखूंगी रिजल्ट खराब हुआ तो मुझे ही ब्लेम किया जाएगा, तो इससे अच्छा है कि जॉब छोड़ो, करियर छोड़ो, बच्चे कुछ बन जाएंगे, then it is an empty nest for you later on. So where is your identity? Right? So unless and until we start believing what we want, society will always impose you with doing things what it wants you to do. तो या तो कन्विंस करो या कन्विंस हो जाओ, ये दो ही ऑप्शंस हैं. सो दोज हु डिसाइड टू कन्विंस करो, दे विल बी एबल टू चार्ट अ वे ऑफ ग्रोथ फॉर देमसेल्व्स. और जो कन्विंस हो जाएंगे, दे आर ऑलवेज सल्किंग बिकॉज नोबडी इज हैप्पी इन दैट पोजिशन. राइट? And see, data from the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern University predicts that half of the women who earn MBA from Kellogg's will leave the workforce within a decade of graduation. आप सोचो Kellogg's जैसे स्कूल में पढ़ने के बाद half of them would leave workforce, and it is not because they have to raise children. Do you know what's the reason? Anybody, any guess? It is purely frustration. When you are expected to do multiple things, when there is no enough support, right? When you are always in a guilt, when there is self-doubt, when women want to have it all, you cannot have it all. You have to decide your priorities at different points of time. So unless and until you do that, that frustration would keep building up, and by the time you work hard and reach the middle management or above position, you decide to quit because then you cannot handle it anymore. But then let us not deny the fact that women bring enormous opportunities and contributions at the top on the table, whether it is at home or in the boardroom. So what women bring at the top? What women bring at the top? Most of the time, it is not my words. Research and data says that women are far behind men in terms of emotional intelligence. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले मैं एक पॉडकास्ट सुन रही थी, उसमें भी उन्होंने बोला कि एवरी स्टार्टअप टुडे फोकसेस ऑन कस्टमर सेंट्रिसिटी, right? You have to be empathetic, and women are born with empathy. And society भी आपको नहीं छोड़ता है. Women, it is engraved in our minds that women are caretakers and caregivers and not care receivers. राइट तो जिसके डीएनए में ही केयर है, जिसके डीएनए में ही इमोशंस हैं, शी कैन ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर सेंट्रिसिटी टू द टेबल. Right? So it is high time that women come forward and start leading organizations. Women can do multitasking. आप अपने घर पे टेस्ट कर लो आज घर जाके. You tell 5 things to your husband, father or brother, and I doubt if they will remember even 2 and do even at least 1. Do you all agree with me? Right? But you check the same with females in your house or office or family. Pardon me for that, sir. Right? So women, again, it is in the DNA to do multitasks at the same time. But while you do multiple tasking, don't drain yourself is what I would like to tell all of you. Many a times we go overboard because we want to please people. I don't want my husband to be unhappy. I don't want मेरी सासू माँ गुस्से हो जाए. I don't want my child to get annoyed. So pleasing everybody, I would keep doing multitasking. At the end of the day, I will get exhausted, frustrated, not having a single minute of time for myself. Women value work-life balance more than men because she has been juggling it, living it with it for ages and decades. So she would understand priorities of your workforce and employees at different points of time. Women are exceptional team leaders. They have an inbuilt quality and ability to cooperate and collaborate. आप सोचो एक women घर पे कितनी maids का ध्यान रखती हैं. And that is why we say that, you know, if a woman is sick in the family, sir, what happens to the house? The entire house goes in ICU. That's the quality and ability and contribution of women in family. Because nobody can do collaboration, cooperation and multitasking as a woman does, and she is also excellent communicator, especially when she is given an opportunity to open herself and share her views with open minds. And if an organization has women at the top, they bring improved financial performance and profitability as compared to organizations which have all men on the board. So whether it's family, society, entrepreneurship, organizations, let us start bringing more women at the top. And there have been enough examples and inspirations for women who have been breaking barriers and standing tall. Everybody knows her? Who is she? No? She is Indira Nooyi. She is the former CEO of PepsiCo and a very powerful lady. You should listen to her podcasts, and she is, I would say that, you know, she's an institution of knowledge, experience, inspiration and motivation in herself. And what she says that she argues the notion of working women itself is a gendered term. कि ये working women क्या होता है? Working women क्या होता है? क्या जो lady घर पे है, she is not working? The nature of duties and roles and responsibilities may change. But a woman is always working, and you know, इसीलिए ऐसा joke it is said that when men work, they put it men at work. जब काम चल रहा होता है कहीं कंस्ट्रक्शन का, आपने देखा है ना, men at work. So jokingly ऐसा बोला जाता है because they don't do multitasking, they don't do much of work. So when they work, they tell. And women are silent workers. We do so many things, but we never tell that, right? Do you know who is she? You know Nykaa? Right, so she is the Falguni Nair. She's a founder of Nykaa. She worked with ICICI Bank at a senior position for a very long period of time. But then she decided that, you know, I want to be my own boss. And she says that let the spotlight of your life be on you. For too long, women have been afraid to dream about themselves. So she challenged the narrative. And she also says in many of her interviews that when she started cosmetics business, जब वो distributors के पास जाती थी तो distributor बोलते थे कि मैम प्लीज सर को बोलना बात करें. तो शी यूज्ड टू से आप चेक देख लो, मैं फाउंडर हूं, मैंने ये बिजनेस शुरू किया है. तो शी हैड अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम गेटिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स. पीपल वर नॉट रेडी टू स्टॉक हर प्रोडक्ट. ओनली व्हेन शी बिकेम पॉपुलर, नाउ वी ऑल नो रेस्ट इज अ हिस्ट्री व्हाट Nykaa is today, right? So she has to prove that. A very popular young entrepreneur, everybody knows her, especially after Shark Tank, right? She is Vinita Singh. She is the founder of Sugar Cosmetics, right? So she also says that let us hire women for their qualities and not for their gender, right? So ये gendered narratives जो है ना, वो सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान कर रहे हैं. So we have to challenge those narratives and stereotypes, right? And that is why when she said reporter की job है तो नहीं females नहीं कर पाएंगे. But not anymore, because now we see a lot of women into journalism and all that. Again, Mama Earth. She started her business after having children. So the most difficult and challenging phase of a female's life is when she delivers a baby. So she challenged the stereotype, and she is also from a community which is very, very conservative about females. But then she took a bold step and she decided to, start a venture after having children. So when friends of her age were changing nappies, she was working in laboratory, inventing, coming out with innovative products. And आपको पता होगा शायद ये onion related shampoos, conditioners, she's very popular for all those things which were not very commonly available in an organized sector. So she's the one who did that. And you know her? I'm not sure. She's Shraddha Sharma. She's a founder of Your Story. So Your Story is also a very, very successful startup. It's a unicorn now. So she also said that the world at large is a battlefield, and every man, like every woman, like every man, wants to fight that battle on merit and not on the basis of her gender. तो आप देखो ये जितनी भी successful women हैं, they all are saying that I am here for my merit. If you want to work with me, if you want to hire me, don't hire me because of sympathy, empathy, or because I am female. I will bring things on table, at times even equal to what men brings, at times even more than what men bring. Right? So all these women are inspirations, and our very own popular celebrity, we all know Priyanka Chopra. Right? So she has been advocating about women empowerment from a very, very long period of time. And nobody would deny the fact that, women has to be financially independent. Right? A lot of power, authority, decision making comes when you are financially independent. You will be respected if you have that, because that comes with identity for yourself. Most of the women in our country face identity crisis, unfortunately. Right? So when you're financially independent, it brings you an identity, and it is important irrespective of who your father or who your husband is. Become financially independent is what she says, and all the promoters of women empowerment are of the same views. So now it is high time that we change gender narratives. So what can organizations do to provide an ecosystem for women to thrive in personal and professional lives? Because as I said in the beginning, I repeat that, though women are almost 50% of population, our contribution is hardly 18%. So if you have to increase that contribution, right, and remember that carrot of 12 to 25 trillion dollar global economy can come when we have gender pay equality. So what do you think organizations should do to close this gap? What can organizations do to provide an ecosystem? So I'm happy to share that recent budget में आप लोगों ने पता नहीं पढ़ा है कि नहीं, 3 lakh crore has been sanctioned for women welfare. Right? So organizations will be given funds to set up crutches so that women can take care of children while at work. Lot of money has been allocated for women's skill and training, skill development and training, especially for young girls and women. So all these things have been done through this year's budget. But based on your experiences, would anybody like to share that, I feel that this should be there in organizations so that more women feel comfortable coming to work every day? Anything from your side? What type of ecosystem you want at workplace? Anybody? Or what can men do to support women at workplace? Trusting themselves and their abilities. Very true. So that they can come forward, make decisions, be in important leadership roles, so on and so forth. Very true. Trust. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Right. 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 So you will not reach leadership positions unless and until you are competent. Right, and that competency comes with upgradation of skill, knowledge and experience. So can organizations provide opportunities for women to, take sabbatical and pursue higher education, take up some certificate courses, so on and so forth. राइट इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की विमेन को जरूरत है. इनफैक्ट एक लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट बता रहा था कि जब कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं, व्हेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस गो टू कॉलेजेस फॉर कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स, 57% मेल स्टूडेंट्स negotiate salary for first job. Unfortunately, only 7% female students negotiate because they don't know their self-worth और दे डाउट देयर सेल्फ वर्थ, या उनको लगता है कि अरे जो मिल रहा है वो ठीक है, बिकॉज मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि आई डिजर्व मोर. राइट, तो आप देखो 57% लड़के जो हैं वो निगोशिएट कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट जॉब में, लेकिन फीमेल्स नहीं कर रही हैं. तो व्हेन यू डोंट स्पीक अप, हाउ वुड यू नो, हाउ सामने वाले को कैसे पता चलेगा कि व्हाट यू वांट? यू टू स्पीक अप एंड प्रूव योर वर्थ. राइट, any other suggestion that you feel your organization should incorporate? Boosting their courage and confidence. Yes, so it needs appreciation. Recently एक सर गूगल का वर्कफोर्स सेंटिमेंट्स का गूगल का एक स्टडी हुआ है, जो स्टडी के फाइंडिंग्स वर सो अम्यूजिंग दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द विमेन सेड दैट वी विल बी मोटिवेटेड इफ आवर कलीग्स एंड बॉसेस जस्ट सेड थैंक यू वेरी ऑफन. आप सोचो थैंक यू बोलना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, बट उनको लगता है फीमेल्स आर ऑलवेज टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड. एंड गूगल का स्टडी बोल रहा है, मतलब वी कैन ट्रस्ट दैट डेटा, है ना? तो साइकोलॉजिकल सेफ्टी आपको प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी विमेन को, सो दैट शी कम्स आउट ऑफ हर कंफर्ट जोन, decides to take little risk, grow in her career. Right, apart from that, I have a beautiful video. If it works, I'd like to show you all here. ये चलेगा? वहां से शायद क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे वो आ नहीं रहा है, कर्सर नहीं आ रहा है. आ गया, आ गया. Just see how the narratives are changing. वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कर सकते हैं?
Very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too.
Chubby cheeks,
Chubby cheeks,
dimpled chin,
dimpled chin,
rosy lips,
rosy lips,
teeth within,
teeth within,
curly hair,
curly hair,
very fair,
very fair,
eyes are blue,
eyes are blue,
lovely too.
lovely too. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin,
Right, so this is a beautiful
मैं हमेशा
campaign
सोचती
that
थी।
was, launched by Dove quite some time back, where they challenged the narrative and the stereotype. And you could hear that rhyme going on in the background because right from childhood, चाहे मैंने या मेरे से बड़े मैम भी हैं यहाँ पे या मेरी बेटी ने भी आज तक वही पोएम पढ़ी है. So women are always told, girls right from childhood, they are described like beautiful, curly hair, rosy lip, chubby cheeks. But then see what women are doing, and they, they agree to disagree that we are not that. And that is why they asked that, is that you? And she said, no, because I am not that rosy lip, chubby cheeks and beautiful girl. I have my own beauty. So it is high time we change the rhythm. So some of the interventions that are proposed, especially for women entrepreneurs is, can we incentivize women entrepreneurs? Especially, आप देखो जब महिलाओं को पूछोगे क्या बिजनेस करना है, अचार, पापड़, नमकीन, राइट, या तो उनको बुटीक खोलना है, कपड़े बनाने हैं, बट कैन वी गिव incentives to women so that they can come into businesses which are still dominated by men, like science and technology, right? Business support, training and capacity building, access to capital, access to markets. Even this, many corporates are talking about SOHO, small office, home office. SOHO is small office, home office, right? And plug and play model. कि आप जहाँ पर भी हो वहाँ पे प्लग करके आप अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हो. तो ये सारी चीज़ें फॉरेन कंट्रीज में काफ़ी पॉपुलर हैं, बट इंडिया में एट अ वेरी nascent stage. And most importantly, flexible working hours and gender sensitivity. Men have to understand that, see, we don't talk about equality all the time. What we talk about is equity. We are not saying that अगर पंजा कोई मेरे साथ लड़ाएगा तो मैं एग्री कर रही हूँ कि मैं मैन के सामने शायद हार जाऊंगी. So we are not talking about competing with them on physical strength, because we also know men and women are made different, so we are different. So it is important for people to understand those differences and be sensitive, and then only we can create a gender inclusive world. And for all the young girls and women sitting here, I would like to talk about only 5 important things. One is find mentors at each stage of your life. Because हर बार यही होता है कि एक लेवल पे हम अटक जाते हैं, किससे बात करो? Because no matter what we say, trust me, I have been mentoring a lot of young startups, women entrepreneurs. The type of sensitivity that women can bring on table, a man would not bring. बिकॉज उनका डीएनए ऐसा है कि वो सोच ही नहीं पाएंगे कि ऐसी प्रॉब्लम भी विमेन की हो सकती है. सो आई डोंट इवन question them or their attitude, but that is how biologically we are different. So please find mentors. Most importantly, wear your achievements on your sleeve. Be vocal about your achievements. आपको पता है जब इंटरव्यू में कई बार हम जाते हैं, अगर हम लड़कों को पूछेंगे कि यू हैव बीन डूइंग वेरी ग्रेट इन योर करियर, तो इनसे यस 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 मैम, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की, मैंने ये स्किल्स डेवलप की है, मैं फॉरेन से ये ट्रेनिंग लेके आया. और जब फीमेल को पूछो कि यू आर एट दिस पोजिशन, तो से थैंक्स टू माई फैमिली. सो आई एम नॉट चैलेंजिंग यू कि फैमिली को थैंक्स मत बोलो, उसके बिना मैन या वीमेन कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. फैमिली सपोर्ट हर किसी को, बट एटलीस्ट टॉक अबाउट योर एफर्ट, योर सैक्रिफाइसेस, योर मेहनत दैट यू हैव डन. व्हाई यू स्टॉप एट थैंक्स टू फैमिली एंड ऑलमाइटी? So that is something which you need to understand. Network is so important. Whether you are into business or working or studying, networking is very, very important. So please do it. Please do it whenever you get an opportunity. Create personal branding for yourself. Don't depend on the identity of your father, husband, family legacy. What will you be known for? Start thinking in that direction. And most importantly, rise above marriage and kids. Because there is another world waiting for you to help you achieve your dreams and aspirations. So once you start following these things, you will definitely see an empowered version of your own self. So it is high time we change the narrative. So ask yourself, are you ready for version 2.0 of yourself? With all those inputs and examples and insights that you got through this session? Young girls, are you ready? All right. So thank you so much. And let us give our girls better goals than just losing weight and getting married, because that is what Indian society is all about. जैसी लड़की बड़ी हुई, पतले हो जाओ, एक्सरसाइज करो, ये मत खाओ, पिंपल्स हो जाएंगे, अच्छी नहीं दिखोगी. Oh my God. There is so much to me as a girl and a woman than that beauty, pimples and wrinkles. Right, so we have to understand that, and finally, a world will definitely be a beautiful place when women support women. So let us pledge to create, develop, and support our own tribe. Let us stand in solidarity. Let this pivotal 2025 be a time for peace, unity, and compassion for women around us. Thank you so much, all of you, for participating in these discussions, sharing your views, and listening to me patiently. Thank you so much. I would appreciate your questions, feedback, comments, anything that you have. Thank you so much, everybody. Thanks a lot. So, sir, we are on time.
Yeah, we're fine.
Thank you so much,
Excellent.
sir. Thank
Have a
you.
seat, please.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you so much. Wonderful exposition. I like the word we. Women empowerment, ultimately it happens if we are together. So, all said and done, it has to be we, not you or me kind of thing. So, thank you, Kavita ji. And I must also appreciate whoever gentlemen are sitting, because she was so focused and she was so determined to make, and she had excellent data. I never realized that so much data and from the authorized sources are there, and it's a revelation. In fact, some of the data are stunning, like gender equality. We are so much behind. I never knew that. I used to say that India is one of the countries where maybe on the top of that there are some. I remember when I went to Japan from Gujarat Chamber of Commerce, our Madam Nirmala Sitharaman was the defense minister at that time, and Sushma Swaraj ji, who passed away, she was the external affairs minister. And in Japan, there were not very many women who were at the top. So we used to say, okay, look, India is ahead. But I know that the things are really different at the middle and lower level. And that's what we need to do. Thank you once again. We'll have a couple of questions, okay, because there has been interaction in between also. So I invite a couple of questions. And beyond that, we can interact later on, because we have to finish that. Yeah, Bipin bhai.
Padmin, this is just a few sentences of my thought on, so it's not much of a question. I think it's I know her since the EDI days. She has been very knowledgeable and very, very competent and assertive, if I may use the word, and not aggressive, but really it has been a good presentation. I have just two things. As a male, I thought it's in the fitness of the things to share. One is whatever the challenges are there can be faced jointly by men and women. I think it has to be a joint venture, because these are the only two breeds available in the world. And when we talk about spirit of cooperation, unless you take the other side with you, I mean, if I may use the word other, better. Number two, I think you mentioned about the sum of our inheritance. To face the challenges, there are two characters in all our lives. I think if we work on them, Kavita ji, I think things might be much better. And those two are, one is our mothers, second is our mother-in-laws. I think, and unfortunately, both of them are women. Let me tell you, I'm very serious. I'm dead serious when I say this. And I think she partly mentioned that right from the early time, what the mothers tell us, we are talking about females, women. So if we change them, their attitude, how they really look at the other women members in the family, I think if you change, then you've done the job. Because, no person can go beyond mother or mother-in-law. If I have to do something, if my wife as a mother-in-law will tell me something, I will do it. Whether it's a question of respecting. So I think these are the two basic things I say. And the third is, some people might find me anti-religion, but I think unfortunately some of our wrongly interpreted religious inheritances and principles, wrongly interpreted, I'm saying, have contributed to some of the stereotypes with which we have been living for a long time. So I talk about the change in the family. Entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial thing and in business and in work will follow. But I also say that it's a very, very long, hard journey.
Very true.
Thank you so much. Any other input or any questions you want to ask? Yeah, please.
Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Hina, and today I'm here because of the title I read, Challenges and Success Factors. For me, like I'm at a juncture of my life when my kids are now grown up, they are in their 12th and above, and now I am free to do what I just want to do. So I was working while kids were young, but it was a family business and working with them, and I again got a chance that join family business. I said, no, I want to do something new, something different, something on my own. But the problem what I am facing right now is where to start from. Like मेरा ग्रेजुएशन ख़त्म हुआ, उसको काफ़ी साल हो गए, अभी दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ आगे चली गई है. सो लाइक राइट नाउ आई एम फीलिंग इट्स ब्लैंक, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. तो जैसे आपने पूछा कि क्या करना चाहिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को, तो काफ़ी सारे ऐसे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स है, जैसे AMM में भी काफ़ी कोर्सेज होते हैं जो वुमेंस को अभी ये एज पे व्हेन दे आर जस्ट 40s और समथिंग तो वो उसमें कुछ नया सीख सके और ज़माने के साथ आगे चल सके, बढ़ सके. That's what I feel.
Yes, बिल्कुल हीना जी आपने सही बोला, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी स्टेज है ना 40, 45, 50 वाली, इट्स एन एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम कि नाउ योर चिल्ड्रन हैव गॉन एंड दे डोंट नीड यू फॉर डे टू डे थिंग्स, और आप फ्री हो. सो इट्स अ राइट टाइम. बट हाँ, जैसे AMA जैसे बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, इवन आजकल तो डिजिटली बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हो रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट आई सजेस्ट इज, जब भी इस तरह के इवेंट्स होते हैं, जस्ट गो देयर. वहाँ पे आप नेटवर्किंग करोगे, यू नेवर नो कब कहाँ पे क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिल जाए. सो जस्ट मेक यूज ऑफ दैट टाइम, एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स अराउंड यू, डू सम रिसर्च एंड स्टडी ऑनलाइन, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल फाइंड समथिंग ऑफ योर लाइकिंग. आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Dr. Jignasa Gandhi. So I was basically in academic field till now. So now I switched to IT firm. But I was teaching to computer science and engineering students. So I also face so much problem. So when I have to do registration of my company, so I was completely blank at that moment, because from 14 years I was in teaching field, and then I switched over here. So I started my IT firm. So I also just wanted to know, can you suggest some sources where we can get ideas about that, how to register, how to get mentorship for that?
सो सी, एक तो आपका ये जो स्टार्टअप इंडिया पोर्टल है, वो पोर्टल के ऊपर आप अगर जाओगे तो आप भले आप रजिस्टर्ड स्टार्टअप नहीं हो, बट फिर भी यू कैन क्रिएट योर यूजर नेम एंड देयर यू विल गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. राइट. और आप AMA में जैसे इवेंट्स होते हैं, ऐसे इवेंट्स में होगे तो यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स, मेंटर्स, लाइक पद्मिन सर है, मैं हूँ, इवन सर हैं. तो आपका जो भी डोमेन है उसके एक्सपर्ट से आपको मिलना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला कि फाइंडिंग राइट मेंटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट दे कैन गाइड यू. आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू, बट आई कैन कनेक्ट यू विद द राइट पर्सन हु कैन सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. एंड आप प्लीज़ ये स्टार्टअप इंडिया पे अपना ID क्रिएट कीजिए. इट इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस, एंड देन यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन इस तरह की. इवन ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स भी गवर्नमेंट के होते हैं, बहुत सारे फ्री होते हैं, उसके बारे में भी आपको पता चलेगा. सो दैट कैन रियली बी यूजफुल.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. Thank
ऑल
you,
द
ma'am.
बेस्ट. या
Thank you.
Last question, okay? The last one. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I am Anil Panchal and I am a student right now. So, I want to become an entrepreneur, and as well as my study are most important for that. So, can you guide me that what should I do for balance both studies and do some entrepreneur?
सो आप पढ़ाई कहाँ से कर रहे हो?
GLS University.
ओके. सो आई एम श्योर यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल, है ना? आपके सेल है ना कॉलेज में?
Yes.
तो आई थिंक यू शुड बिकम अ मेंबर ऑफ दैट सेल फर्स्ट, एंड देन स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग दैट आपको पैशन किस चीज़ में है, आप क्या करना चाहते हो. राइट. छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स कर सकते हो आप स्टार्टअप्स में जाके, ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी आए कि कहाँ पे स्टार्टअप में काम कैसे हो रहा है. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चैलेंज होता है आइडेंटिफाइंग द राइट बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो व्हेन यू विल गो, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं इंडिया में, अहमदाबाद में, गुजरात में, जो हैकेथॉन्स करवाते हैं, B-Plan कॉम्पिटिशन्स करवाते हैं. तो जस्ट गो एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन दोज इवेंट्स. right? And you will get so many ideas कि लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, and from there you may find a clue and start working on that.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for your
Thank
guidance.
you. All the best.
Right, oh, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Kavita ji. We must give a round of clap for her once again. And the round of clap is also for all of you because ultimately, if you come to AMA, we are more motivated to organize better programs and continuous culture programs. So thank you, all of you. Please keep on coming to Ahmedabad Management Association. The last you says you are right. You must join some entrepreneurship cell. And otherwise you are most welcome to AMA. I will be there. We will be there. AMA is a MSME Development Center also, where we can encourage you. There are so many forums available. You are most welcome to meet me also. Not an issue. But if you are to attach where you are actually studying or working, is much better to that. Okay, thank you once again. And that culminates the Women's Month, the March. March is normally for business targets, but AMA has set up a different kind of target. And I think we are happy that we are able to achieve it in the most possible manner. Thank you all. Keep on coming to AMA. Thank you, sir.